Today I review Honor Sports Bluetooth earphones. This is my first review. So we take the box. There is plastic. I will grab my scissors and try to cut it. It's a bit hard. Got the success. I'll just remove the plastic, everything. Yep, here it is. We'll open the box now. It is presented nicely. I will just put it aside. Here is I'll just remove this all plastic paper. Okay, within the plastic you can see there is 3 small packets and 1 instruction booklet. This is the instruction booklet. I will keep it aside. Stickers. These are all your extra sets of headphones. So this is the charging cable, I guess, and we'll just remove it. I am just removing it. Yeah. This is USB-C. So this is USB-C to USB, and you can charge it. We will come to this later. This is booklet. I really don't think so I need it. Well, these are extra sets of ear tips. I'll just open it, and here you are. So these are all for different kind of ears and basis your comfort. We'll cover that in a separate video. Okay, now just keeping it aside. Here are another set of earbuds. Okay, so all these things are nicely packed, and see, similar view. I will just bring in the I'll just put some white paper below them. Yep, here is it. So these are all nicely packed, and moving on to the next piece. Keeping these things aside, we'll cover the main headphones. These are a bit tightly packed here, so I'll try to remove them with a bit force. These are braided, so it's safe to remove them. Yep, as you can see, these are tightly packed, and I'm getting them out. So this is the commitment and quality what you can see in this packet. So now these are removed. I will be reviewing them, and here this is the volume the charging way. How do you do it? And I'm just opening this. This is getting opened. Here it is. So I'll just remove this, and here it is. I remove this. So you can see you can charge attaching this cable. I attach this cable. No, it's the other way around. Yep, here it is, and I just plug that in, and you will be able to charge it. Then again I will just reinstate it. I think I'm doing in the opposite way. Now I've done it correctly, and here it is. It is the review of the unboxing, I would say. And everything is tightly packed, and this magnetically attached as well. So thank you for your review. For more unboxing reviews, please subscribe to our channel, and whenever you buy, just look at this particular stickers for Huawei original items. Thank you.